Aloha, this is Aaron from Hawaii Music School, and today we did this lick. Okay, so let's break that down. What this is a pull-off lick, and it's in the key of F. Okay, I'm playing it on a low G ukulele, but you can use it on a high G because I don't even incorporate that string at all. So it works out either way. Now what I'm doing is I'm pulling off on the 8th fret, 8, 7, 5. Okay, and so I'm pulling from 8 to 7, and then pulling that off from 7 to 5. And I go up here, I put my pinky back on 8, but on the 2nd string, and then back on 5. Yeah? So that's your first part. And then I pull off from 8 to 6. And that's going to go 5 on the 2nd string to 7 on the 3rd string. And then I pull off again from here. So it's going to be 6 to 5. And then I go to the 7th fret on the 3rd string. And then, so that's 5, 4, 5 all together. And then we play it quick. Okay, and that was the lick of the day. Alright, so that was today's lick of the day. Now, if you liked the video, please go ahead and hit the like button below. And if you're not already subscribed, subscribe to my channel. I really enjoy having more subscribers on there. And also, if you like this kind of stuff, check out my website, hawaiimusicschool.com. Right now we have a 2-week free trial membership, and you can get on there and check out all the videos. I think we've got like 75 or maybe even more. And we add a new video every week. As well as videos that I put up on here, I have like explanations and stuff on there, so it's a little bit more intuitive, I guess. Hopefully you guys like it and you check it out. Aloha.